Hi everyone, welcome to Backlog Stories. In today's session, I'll be showing up how to install Terraform in Linux, OS Linux server. It's very easy and simple. Just follow the steps which I have followed in this course, and definitely you'll be able to install successfully. Let's get started. We need to go to official Terraform website, Terraform download. So this is the official website www.terraform.io. And you need to scroll down. You'll have the different download links for different OSs. So today we are trying to install Terraform on Linux. So let's take a link from the Linux. Just take that link, copy link address, and I have EC2 instance with Ubuntu is running here. So using wget, I'm downloading the Terraform file. So it's downloaded successfully. Okay, it's in GIF format. Okay, let's try to unzip that by using unzip command. Oh, looks like this is a new instance I have launched through Terraform itself. In the upcoming session, I'll show you how to launch EC2 instance from Terraform and how to log in from the PuTTY. So that will be covered in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned. Okay, let's install now unzip software. Sudo apt install unzip. Okay, it is installed now. Now try to unzip using unzip command. Okay, it is unzipped. As you can see here, there is only one binary file, Terraform. Okay, so we need to set the this binary file to environment variable. Let's echo the path. Okay, so login using sudo bash account and using move command. Move this Terraform to user local bin path. Okay. Okay, let's check whether it has been moved. Yes, it's been moved. Okay. Okay. Let's check whether Terraform installation is fine or not. Basically, it's installed successfully or not. So how do you check? Using Terraform -v command. It will give the version which we have installed. So if you're seeing this output, that means our installation went through successful. Suppose if in case if you're seeing errors or if you're not able to get the output like Terraform version, that means your installation went wrong, something is wrong. You need to follow again this course and try to reinstall again. Still you are not able to install Terraform on Linux machine. Please post your issues, errors in this video tutorial channel. Post your comments with all the issues and screenshot. I'll definitely help on that. Thanks for watching. Just in case if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also if in case someone is looking for how to install Terraform on Windows machine, so I have placed a link in the description. Please check it out. And before next sessions will be more of practicals and hands-on experience. I would highly recommend to get ready with Terraform installation as well as the AWS account. If you don't know how to create AWS account, free account, I also placed a link, video link for how to create AWS account in the description. Please follow and get it ready so that you can follow my course. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this today's session. Once again, subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much.